Jaja, finally. 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 Big up on yourself. Welcome to the channel. Yo, you take my whole day. Alright, I use a Nikon Z6. Alright, first of all, welcome to the channel and thanks for tuning. For your first time over here, leave your name in the comments, introduce yourself, make yourself acquainted. We catch up in the next one. Guys, I spend a whole day. And not just because of how I did want to make the video. I spend a whole day I try to make one video for telling you thanks. You see them say something there with the nice and something. Yeah, beer that me have to deal with the whole day. Z6 full. So I search. You wanna click like on the video? Every time I try to make one video, something always I make nice on my head or something. Right. So what make you feel up yourself, sir?
Oh, I'm kind of feel cool.
But this alone and this alone your body cold.
Yeah, up here so cool, up here so.
But this always warm, man.
Yeah, alright,
and we're gonna come down more now. Cheese and peas. Like, what is this? I must want to sign this. Alright, I know what I gotta do. I go and hold it, see me. I go and hold it. Yeah, Papa, I go. Yeah, General. Big up yourself again. So, I move up and down and try to get the right lighting, camera move out of focus, all of that, just to make a video so I can tell no thanks for 200 plus subscribers. There we go. More and more adversity. I don't have a studio for myself. Like I work on it so I can make one nice little studio so like I get rid of all of these things, but on the road to getting there. You see, everything I have to deal with today, right now, like, I laugh about it. I was frustrated earlier, but right now, I laugh about it because I have all the clips, them just the same, and put some little snippets in here and share with them. It actually adds substance to everything. Like, me, I try to fight everything to make the video to say, oh, thanks, I really appreciate 200 plus subscribers and not miss, like this site, this is it, appreciating the journey. Like, I don't know, probably you do video like me. I don't know what you do. You're going to have adversities. You're going to have difficulties. You understand? And it actually adds to it. It doesn't want to seem as if you not get them difficulties there, those kind of things are not happening, like you think I have no substance. In my humble opinion, that's how it feels. Because right now, I just laugh off of everything. I mean, I say, oh, like later on, I go look back on this and I go laugh. I go say, oh, look man, all of me have to go through to get from point A to point B. Point B being me telling you guys thanks for 200 plus subscribers. Yeah, thank you. Thank you guys so much. It just proves that we can go 400. And oh, I tell you, say, oh, if I your first time over here, leave a name, tell me which party I hail from. That's one thing. Tell me which party I hail from. If I hail from Jamaica, which parish. If I'm from overseas, tell me which part. Yeah, and welcome to the channel. My name is Akin. I'm a youth trying to figure out this thing when I'm life same way. But I try to approach everything with optimism. Used to be one police, and you can probably tell from previous videos. Have one channel where I have 14,000 subscribers. But the thing with that channel is miss out on the journey. They get me? All them kind of something where I make it difficult. I know some people might look on 200 subscribers as not much, but we don't care about that. But the reason why I bring it up is that in some sense it might seem like not much, but the thing is you don't want to focus on that. You want to focus on the journey from getting to 1 subscriber to 100, from getting to 100 to 200. See me, I record this video now. Anytime I get to 300, like me I go remember say, oh John, you remember when you reach at 200, the amount of, yeah. So for everybody who want to know me the Rowan River, not actually Rowan River though, out of the bun factory. Nice. This is how I have to deal with every day. The camera move out of focus, rain come down, all of them kind of something like. So, yeah, nobody never asked what my day out at the bun factory at Roan River. And apart from saying thanks, so I want to pass on if you had the YouTube, yeah, you know, you put in a whole heap of work and you see the returns, no focus on that. My certain so you have to see some amount of growth. And the only way you see growth is if you focus on the things that are holding you back. Then you become the things that hold you back. You get me? Because even on the channel that has 14,000, you know, since I start not care about what people think, because I know so the content that I upload on there is made purely for really and truly make people laugh. Wherein on here, I try to display some of my video editing skills. Oh, by the way, I use Adobe Premiere Pro and a Nikon Z6 right here, you know, so hot pan autofocus. The Sony is better. If you know see some of the other videos on here, you realize the Sony put the hand there so it focus on it quick and have focus in check. So also that is also a part of the journey. So yeah. Adversities. We gotta have adversities when we do them things. And apart apart of enjoying the journey is realizing those adversities, like, you know, getting past them, not make them stop you. Because watch me, like, I could have pack up the camera and just go sit down and say, oh, cho, don't need this man. But no, so when I drive go a mile ago and I see the light and I start laughing and I say, oh, I couldn't get this kind of lighting during the day. You get me? That's just life. As I say, Lara over here, you know, I'm a little YouTuber. I try to figure out that thing out when I'm life same way. I make mistakes just like you, just like everybody. And I don't want to get philosophical, or emotional and all of that. But as I say, I just want normal youth to try to figure out life. I try to find happiness like everybody. Might sound corny, but are the truth. All of we just want to be happy. All of we just want to be accepted, or, you know, that group hug kind of something there. Yeah. And even through getting to that, trying to get to that, you go find problem. As I mean, you look at a woman right now, we are try settle down the thing and thing. You're not going to find problem. Probably somebody cheat. You know, I'll go a heap of problem. A life, you get me? And that's one of the things I'm going to try to communicate from here as well. And always hear me I preach, I say, oh, the reason why I'm have up this is because of this me record the audio from, and the battery low too, you know. Look here, I don't know if I can say, but battery low. So, yeah, long day, but at the end of it, it feels substantial, man. I never quit. I could have quit, you know, and say, oh, cho. But now I make no video about tell nobody thanks, you know, 200 subscribers. We still now get the amount of views them. And that's how we miss the journey, you see me? Capture all of the things and we make it difficult, man. Oh, I want to show you one thing. Just one thing. Although I'm showing you that book here. And how my dad drool over it, Mr. Barack Obama and his memoir. Now this priceless. The data that is in here is priceless. Yes, it might not mean nothing to you, you understand. So that's beside the point. That's not the point I'm trying to make. But explaining to you how priceless the information is and all of that will make sense. So little patience, bear with me. So priceless history. Vladimir Putin, the demise of Osama bin Laden, first black president, it's priceless. The book mean a lot to me. I wanted the book before the person who sent the book to me was inside my head. But here the thing I know. And it comes back to me and say, I appreciate the journey. You know how I get this book? Michaela. Someone who subscribed to my channel through me I do all of that, connect and understand and can relate to some of the things. I expressed the want for this book and she sent it to me. And I get the book in her. The book me did want at first of all and everything. But guess what value more to me than the book now? This note. So she sent it with a note there saying to Akin, and she get my name correct. Something where whole heap of people now do. Not even my mother spell my name correct more time. To Akin, I hope this book inspires you plus makes you smile. Happy vlogging. I don't know if she was sitting around a table when she was writing that, but I know she used a pen. I know there was a thought process before she wrote it. The whole journey to the creation of that note makes the note so much more valuable. Which comes back to me saying, me I try come on here for tell no thanks to 200 subscribers. The amount of things will try stop me throughout the day, but at the end of the day, I still do it. Yeah. I don't know if the first pen she take up if it did stop right. I don't know, probably she book her too when she go sit down or the book drop out her lap for much time and them but she still. You get what I mean, sir? So yeah. Also, before I go, one of the things we use to determine the success of our thing is to get over to corporate Jamaica or to corporate wherever you're from. And there's some skepticism involved because you say you work so hard, the adversity to them, and then them no want to give you the right deal or whatever or whatnot. Sometimes you have to make the sacrifices. Sometimes there'll be a bigger picture that you can't see, and those businesses, them also have adversities. The thing with me now, why me not really try to go corporate is because my thing more sentimental. I would prefer the channel grow big and then me establish something else that can sustain me. But this, I'm a little solace, you get me? I'm a little happy place. Like, I don't want this to tie into with making the money the more important thing. You get me? I want to connect with some people, whole heap of things in my life I never experience or have. And through using camera and videography editing, being sent this book by someone who didn't know me before I started to make videos. And one of the things where I never have in a life where like it give to me, and I don't really want to tie that into business. If there was a way to tie it into business and not lose that, because you know in time business start now, you have rules and you have certain things we have to abide by that might rob that little thing there from me will make up this thing for me. I understand so. But apart from that, sometimes you determine your thing successful is when it go to the corporate wherever. Sometimes you have to make the sacrifice. You have to work with the rules and because them businesses here, business is complex. And it's a reason why business is business. You get me? And them face them adversities too. When I get the gist. So I was looking at this article on Loop News, and I'll put a link in the description. Some Indigo conference thing. And I'm trying to remember this YouTuber. He's also an attorney at law. I can't remember his name, but I also put up one link. You can go check out him content. But all in all, I read the article and I felt as if there was sensitivity in there. It felt sincere, as if because I know that there is skepticism there. One might say, oh, people want to take advantage of the thing and then understand the amount of work one have to put in and then want to pay on the thing value and all of that stuff. But when I read the article, guys, it felt sincere. It felt as if someone really wants to make a thing grow, but them understand the foundation of them thing and them don't want it fall because, of course, them have to put in work in it, right? So definitely check it out. Me think it's sincere. And everybody will follow. I don't know what difficulties them I face. I don't have to say nothing more. So, thanks again for 200 plus subscribers. Road to 300. Yeah, big up on yourself. Thanks for tuning always. Laro shall see Uno very soon. Very soon. Later.